The Royal Academy, Part 6, Paper 1, Unit 1, Offline versus Online Methods. Let us see the offline methods of teaching. Teaching takes place inside the physical boundary of the classroom. Learners needs to be physically present in the classroom. There is a limit on the number of students who can be enrolled depending on factors such as the size of the classroom, faculty, availability of funds. Fourth point, there are fixed timing for students to attend the classes. It can be used even in remote areas lacking electricity, internet and gadgets. Sixth point, the teacher is in direct contact with students. He can analyze their behavior, interest, values, etc. and guide them. Seventh point, the teacher can resolve queries of the students in the classroom. Students can also clarify their doubts with their class fellows. Eighth one, these methods can be teacher-centered or learner-centered. These lack flexibility as students have to attend classes and appear in exams at the specified date and time along with others. They have to attend in the same time, then only they can pass. Examples include kinesthetic teaching, role-playing, stimulations. So all these are coming under offline method of teaching. These are the online methods of teaching. What are the points coming under this? Let us see. There is no limit of physical boundary for classrooms. Anyone from around the world can take part. Second point, teachers will upload the content online and learners can access it from any place. Third point, any number of students can watch the course videos online or enroll in the online courses. Fourth point, there are no fixed timing. Learners can access the online material anytime as per their comfort. Fifth point, internet connectivity is must for such courses for both the teachers and learners. Sixth one, the online teaching, the teacher is not in direct contact with students. However, students can contact teachers through email or chat sessions. Seventh point, queries can be resolved in discussion forums. There are usually student-centered. These are flexible in nature as students can learn and appear in tests as per their own schedule. 10th point, let us see. Examples include computer-based learning, programmed instructions, lived sessions, interactive videos, and game-based learning. Now let us see here. Examples include computer-based learning, programmed instructions, live sessions, interactive videos, game-based learning are coming under this. Then teaching activity involve lecture, demonstration, heuristic method, discussion, project work, panel discussion, presentation, seminars, tutorials, assignments, case study, etc. can be planned in either offline or online mode. There can be methods which will involve both offline and online teaching such as flipped classrooms in which students will learn content from videos uploaded online by the teachers and then will have discussions and solve assignments in class. See all those things, that is lecture, demonstration, heuristic, discussion, and project work, panel discussions, presentations, seminar, tutorial, all these are in the explanations are given in part 7. So you can go through that and you can get all the points regarding this one. This is Royal Academy. The phone number is given. You can join the class and you can benefit and get through the UGC NET 2022-23. Thank you.